this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use one of these OTG adapters, otherwise it's like USB-C to USB, to connect a USB drive. So here's my Android phone. I'm just going to simply plug this in, and you might have got this with your phone actually. So this one says Samsung on it. I don't know if you can see, but I got it with my Samsung S9 back in like 2017. I still use it. So you can just plug this in where the phone charges. So you can see my USB right there. Now, all we have to do is go to the files on your phone. So let's go up, type in files. If you're on a Samsung phone, it's going to be called My Files. If you're on a different phone, it might be a little bit different. But on my phone, I have Google Files, so I'm just going to click on here. Open this up, scroll on down, and you can see under all storage right here, my disk 20 is on here. It's 25 gigabytes free. And here's some of my pictures and stuff. So I got that on there. Now if you want to transfer a picture, just find the image. So I got some images up here. I could just click on it right here if I can find it. And you can just open up. There's a picture of, what I'm doing right now, I guess. And then I can tap 3 little dots, go to move to. And then I can go to disk 20. So it's really that easy. And then you can just move here. It's moving and it's moved. So just find the images. You can see images right here. I can go to these. And I can just hold down on here. I don't think I can move it like this. Can I move multiple ones at the same time? Now, if I try to move multiple ones at the same time like this, I get this little error where I can't find my USB. It just says internal storage. And move here. So it seems like I can't do it from this screen for some reason. But I can do it from the other screens. So you can still move it around. Your phone might be a little bit less dramatic than mine. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.